I'm going to cover a few apps that allow you to make some passive income. You're not going to get rich or be allowed to quit your day job, but it's a great way to make some extra money, getting paid with things you do on your phone anyway. Let's go. The first one is selling your unused data. There's websites like Honeygrain that allow you to sell your unused phone data. All you have to do is run the app in the background, and the amount you can make depends on the traffic sent to your devices, which can be influenced by your location and how many IP addresses you have connected. So for example, with 3 connected devices, you can make as much as $19 a month, which amounts to $230 a year. Not a lot, right? But you have to look at it like this: free Netflix, because what you're making here would cover a streaming service for an entire year. The next one is as simple as shopping online. Swagbucks. Anytime you search something through Swagbucks, you can earn Swagbuck points, which amounts to $1 per 100 points. And once you have at least 300 Swagbuck points, you can cash out through PayPal or through a gift card. You could earn even more points by installing the Swagbucks Chrome extension as your default browser. They even offer other ways to make money in your spare time, like surveys, video games, and more. And there's no daily or weekly limits to how much you can make with Swagbucks. So you can make a few bucks a day, which is going to translate to a few $100s a month. Swagbucks also claims you can make $100 a day with high-paying items and games. Realistically, it'd probably be hard to make $100 a day. So let's say you're in it $100 a month plus $20 with Honeygrain. Now you're at $120 per month. This next one is crazy easy, and this app pays you to stay off your phone when you drive. With On My Way, you can make passive income just by turning on the app when you drive. The way it works is as you drive, you'll earn 5 cents for every mile you don't text and drive. And you can redeem your cash through Cash Card or Store Card. I will have this app linked so you can check it out for yourself. Now, I have had people say that this app doesn't always track miles. That can be due to your network connection, and then again, it can be the app. It's hard to say for sure. And when you sign up with the link in my description, you'll receive $100 towards On My Way cash. Not real cash, but you can redeem this cash towards Starbucks, McDonald's, and more. The next one is Mobile Expression, which is an online market research app that helps companies better understand consumers' online and mobile usage. Each week you're active, Mobile Expression will send a notification informing you have credits to claim. Once claimed, you can redeem these credits towards e-gift cards of your choice. After your first week of installing the app, you'll receive a $5 Amazon gift card, and new members will be entered into the $100,000 sweepstakes. So this app kind of sounds sketchy, I know. And of course you want to use caution when downloading any app or giving any app access to your data. But this app is operated by Comcore, which has been in business since 1999. So it's not a fly-by-night, overseas, run-out-the-basement company. Next is Capital One Shopping, which is both the app and Chrome extension. So if you've ever searched for a promo code, $store promo code, now there's no reason to do that because this app and extension will automatically do that for you. So the way it works is when you shop online and reach checkout, Capital One Shopping will search thousands of merchants to look for a better deal. Then it automatically applies any promo codes or coupons to your purchase. You can also add items to your Capital One Shopping watch list, and it'll notify you about price drops or if it finds a better deal. So on top of saving money with Capital One Shopping, the way you would use this app to create passive income is find purchases you already plan to make through Capital One Shopping's partner offers and online stores. When you redeem an offer, you'll receive credits you can exchange for gift cards to some of your favorite stores. So look, while using this app probably won't pay the bills, it is going to allow you to earn some passive income with things you already do anyway, without any extra effort. So I hope this video helped you out. I want to thank you for watching. Links in the description. Check you on the next one.